morning. Welcome to a small video of Department of Zoology, Banipur Mohila Mahavidyalaya on observation of World Elephant Day and World Lions Day. On August 12, 2012, the first World Elephant Day was observed, and the plight of Asian and African elephants were highlighted. Thailand-based Elephant Reintroduction Foundation teamed up with Canadian filmmaker Patricia Sims to organize the events on the day. And ever since 2012, Sims had been leading World Elephant Day. Elephants are important part in our ecosystem. The day also focuses on spreading awareness about their preservation and protection. It is no news that the number of elephants is constantly declining. Various threats including poaching, habitat loss, mistreatment in captivity hover over elephants, especially Asian and African. We must be aware to protect the elephants. Thank you. The 10th of August is celebrated as the World Lions Day. August 10th is a day for people to come together from across the world to pay tribute to the mighty lion in as many ways as possible. Though a fun and exciting occasion for all, its foundations are based in a very serious matter. Lion numbers have dramatically declined to the point where the species needs to be placed on the endangered list, just like the larger cousin, the tiger. So we must be cautious about protecting both the elephants and lions for the better future of our good old earth. Thank you.
World Lion Day is observed every year on August 10 to raise the awareness about the conservation of lions. The lion is an endangered species on the IUCN Red List. The 5 biggest cats are found mostly in India, including the Royal Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, clouded leopard and snow leopard. India is also recorded as the highest lion population with an increase of 29% from 2015 to 2020. Lions maintain the ecological balance and ensure the protection of natural forest and help in the conservation of biodiversity.
The goal of World Elephant Day is to create awareness of urgent plight of African and Asian elephants and to share knowledge and positive solution for the better care and management of captive and wild elephants. African elephants are listed as vulnerable and Asian elephants as endangered on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. One conservationist has stated that both African and Asian elephants face extinction within 12 years. The current population estimates are about 4 lakhs for African elephants and 40,000 for Asian elephants, although it has been argued that these numbers are too much high.
It is a day to honor elephants, to spread awareness about the critical threats they are facing, and to support positive solutions that will help ensure their survival. Thank you.